Hello YouTubers, today we're going to the Water Wizard 1.0 car wash at Daniel Express Lube Car Wash in Atoka, Oklahoma.
There's a sign that shows Atoka.
Yep.
There it is.
Atoka, Atoka.
A Atoka in Atoka. Alright. So we got about 4 minutes, it says. There's a giant Walmart. I've never seen a Walmart that big if you want to film it. Oh my god.
It's actually
the smallest Walmart I've ever seen. That ain't as big as a...
That's a small...
Used to be a 7-Eleven maybe.
That used to be that way when I lived in my little small town.
Yeah. And you can see in the camera, guys, a giant Starbucks.
Yep.
And they're sipping that $7 coffee right now.
Yeah, because they can do it.
Is it part of the shell?
Nope, it's next door right here. The automatic bay is on the left side.
Now your destination is on the right.
Here we go.
So we'll go to the left of the truck. Uh-oh. Okay.
We're going to Charlie's.
Yep.
Okay, guys. Let's turn around. It's okay. We got Charlie's. Remember that was plan B? Guys, we'll see you again in about an hour at Charlie's Car Wash where they have a new system.
Alright, this is attempt number 2.
Attempt number 2, what we gonna do?
And that Aquajet is still there.
Now your destination is on the right.
On the other side.
Okay, so we go through here, turn in here, correct?
Correct.
And we're coming around. I see what we're doing. And this one's only 12 bucks for the top wash. There it is.
Yep.
You see that?
That works for me.
So stop right here. I'll show them the menu.
At least it's not 25.
And you get 10 cents off per gallon of gas, so we'll fill up while we're here.
Yeah, yes, yes.
Okay. Coming around. Coming around. Come about. Okay, and there we go. Can't believe there's not like a line of like 5 cars trying to get in.
Yep, we got a truck and they stopped for us.
Perfect. Okay, we'll swing around this way.
Yep.
And come into with a wide path.
Yep.
Okay, coming about. And then after this, what, Brahms and then the Charger. All right, here we go.
Yep.
You have purchased the basic wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready. The wash is now ready. Please drive the
Now, guide me to this rail system.
Yep. We are at least in the center, but this is going to be bad, that's for sure. So,
What, am I good?
Yep, so turn left a little bit.
Okay.
Straighten it out.
Okay.
This is a GT-500.
Okay. Up a little more, up a little more. Stop. There we go. All right, buddy.
All right. This is a GT-500.
What else do we know about this system? It's Kwik.
Yep. Yeah.
Okay, so the first
They got
pass
the oscillating nozzles on top.
Yeah, so what was the first pass?
They did the pre-soak.
And each of their stages goes all the way back and forward, each stage, right? So
Some of them normally do one pass, like Tri-Foam can do one.
is one pass where it goes to the back and comes forward, or is that two passes?
And that's the dryer, so what a rip off there.
We're done?
Well, it's on board.
This car wash is done, other than the dryer?
Correct.
OMG. They're not getting my vote.
Yep. I'll
We
leave a
basically
bad
just
review
got
there.
rained on.
Yep.
But the thing is, you got to take the good and the bad. We journey out to try these so we can bring the YouTubers the real.
Yep.
And today's reel is, I'm going to say, don't come here.
Correct.
All we did is got water shot on us.
Yep.
Oh, sorry, I'll put that in here.
The person working in there has nothing to do with this. I don't literally mean that, but this was a BS wash.
Yep. It is.
So it's up to you, but if you want to give them a Google review, honestly, that they deserve, which is 1 star, you can do this.
Yep.
All up to you, buddy.
Yep. That's what I would do anyways.
Yeah, but see, you never know these things unless you come out, right?
Correct.
So you're helping a lot of people by telling them, don't come to this wash.
Correct.
And that's our job too, to report good washes and to report the bad washes, correct?
Yep.
It is what it is. Okay, now we exit?
Yep.
Okay. And we got to go very straight as we exit, correct?
Yep.
Because we're still on simultaneous rails.
Yep.
And we're going to hit them again with the rear tires. Okay. And
Basically those treadle switches.
Yep. Okay. And we did it without banging a rail.
Correct.
Okay, YouTubers, this does not have my vote, but it's up to the cameraman what he thinks of this.
Correct. There's the Exxon. Anyways.
Go out and look, guys.
Yep. Let's get out and look.
You want to
Perfect.
look? Okay. It ain't going to be good, but I'm happy to look with you. Okay.
Yeah.
You ready? Funny enough, it's not that bad of a wash.
Yeah.
I mean, it really doesn't. I've seen a lot worse washes.
But let's hope this don't leave water spots.
Well, we'll be driving, so
Yeah.
it'll air dry, right?
Correct. Anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and bye. This was a Mark 7 Aquajet GT-500 car wash at the Exxon gas station in Durant, Oklahoma. Bye.